All right, guys, this is the monkey trader, okay? And I call myself that because I lost so much money in trading, and I still do. So don't learn from me, okay? Don't look at this analysis and think, hey, this is what I'm gonna do next, because you gonna lose money, okay? And I don't want you to lose your hard-earned money. You cannot trust a person who gives you some analysis, okay? Don't lay your faith in this because I have lost over $25,000, no, euro, doing it this way. So don't do it, okay? Don't be stupid. Don't take my advice because this is not financial advice, okay? This is just the monkey trader. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to tell you a little something about what I'm currently doing and what I'm learning because I am studying trading. I'm not a professional trader, okay? I'm studying how to trade. And when you study, you do many, many mistakes. And that's okay because we are here to learn. And this chart that you see here right now, this is my essentially my analysis on BTC. Okay, right now, currently, I'm in a BTC short and I'm 56 US dollars in profit, meaning I entered right here. Okay, right here is where I entered the zone. The game, man, the game. Look at the circle. Why did I do this? Why did I enter here where the arrows are? Why did I enter this trade? Because I was like, dude, look at this thing here. Liquidity has already been taken from that move, right? Liquidity has already been taken. We come up again, we take it again, but we reject. Do you see that, guys? We reject here, we reject here, and we reject here, and we reject here, right? But I was already in, so I was like, dude, let me look to the left. And what did I see on the left? First of all, I never do this in the 50-minute time frame, okay? I did this analysis in the 1 hour time frame. And what I saw was that BTC is there to be shorted right now. So I entered this trade. I was like, okay, how far down can we go? Okay? Because here, clearly you can see that there was some activity because it consolidated for quite some time in this space here, right? So there was some activity going on here in that area. I was like, okay, we can come down to that level for sure because where's the next level we can get magnetized to from the upside? Do you see that? We don't really have a zone like that. We broke down from exactly this level. And if we go left from here, that's round about the last area where we had some, you know, sideways consolidation if you look at that level. But we decided to break down from this level, right? Break down, break down, break down, break down, broke up again, right? Recovered a little bit, had a little scoop to the upside, a little breather here. But where did this breather went into? It went into the area where we had this sidewards consolidation again, this activity. Can you see this? It went right into this and then decided to reject again into the next level. So now we are somewhere around $55, right? Right, we're at 114,467 US dollars. And I'm thinking, man, where can this thing go? Because I have my take profit at 111,520. Because I was thinking that there's so much liquidity on that side. And there's such a big supply zone, at demand zone essentially. Look at this demand zone. It's huge, right? So I was like, man, this thing gotta come down here. But before it does that, I have no idea what it's doing, right? So what I'm currently thinking is we either go up and retest this level again, maybe even scoop up a bit over this zone and then break down again, or we just go up a little bit, test this supply zone here, or test if this could be the next demand zone if we break through and then have some support. And then I believe that we're going to break down from here. Now, will this happen? Probably not. Okay, guys. I mean, probably not. But we're going to see. We're going to see. What I will do is at $80, so at roundabout this level here, this level, I'm going to take 50% profits. So I'm going to close this trade by 50% because there are so many zones here that I cannot really say if I'm gonna hit the 113 dollar level or not, right? I mean, there's just so much activity in this whole thing. I mean, look at this. Okay, there are so many zones that we could essentially, come on, circle, that we could pop up from. I mean, look at this, right? Look at all these things. So we simply don't know. I never know. When I trade, I never really know. But sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. And when I see, I mean, look at this. We went down here, but when I see so many different levels and price actions to the left of it that we gonna go down into, do you see that, guys? It'd be foolish to wait for the 113 to hope that it will somehow go through all of these levels. No, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna take some profits at the tip of where all of these levels start. Like at roundabout at the tip. Because if I would combine all of these levels here in a bigger circle, right? Or an ellipse would even be better for that, dude. Just use an ellipse. Where is it? Here, an ellipse. Look at that. Let's make it a bit bigger. Beautiful, 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 beautiful circle right here. Look at this, guys. It would be foolish to think it would go through all of these levels without coming back up again. So what I will do is I will wait until we break a bit further into this thing, because you can see how much action we have, especially in this area here. Look at this, guys. This area. Wow. Magnificent. So I will wait until it breaks a bit into this circle, probably right around, somewhere around here, maximum here. Boom. Don't change it, right? Don't be too aggressive. Like that. Just like that, dude. Just like that. We already came such a big way, so just take profit. And then I'll leave some chips on the table and we see where this thing goes. But guys, as I told you, this thing can go up, this thing can go down. Don't put your money, your own money in it. Never put your own money in it. Look how I'm gonna do it. I trade with paper trading, okay? I train with paper trading. This is essentially what I'm using. Okay? Just go to some website. I use TradingView. I'm not sponsored, okay, or anything, but I just think it's a great thing because I don't have to waste my money, okay? I don't have to waste my hard-earned money because I have lost too much money doing it this way. Trade like a professional, okay? Trade without money until you become professional. And even if it takes you 10 motherfucking years to do so, we have to do it this way, okay? This is not real money, guys. This is paper money. This is this is this is artificial money. This is not my money. This is not real money, okay? But I'm trading this account up to fake 200,000, okay? Okay, guys. I hope you didn't learn anything from this video. And let's just look how this trade went in a couple of hours from now, maybe in 24 hours. We're gonna see. And yeah, I wish you a great day. Hope you didn't learn anything, and see you the next time with Monkey Trading. Peace.